Get the worksheet used in this lesson, as well as hundreds of others, at Mathcation.com. This video is about our similar figures worksheet. You can get the worksheet we use in this video for free by clicking on the link in the description below. The first part of our similar figures worksheet asks us to determine if the figures below are similar. Now, a similar figure is a figure that has the same shape but different sizes. Now, when we say same shape, that means that it has to have the same angles. So for example, if we look at the first problem, we're given two triangles. So just because we're given two triangles, which would technically be the same shape, the angles have to be the same. What that means is that they have to be the same exact figure, except the sizes are different. So if you look, these are the same shape, but they do not have the same angles. So if you look, this angle in red and this angle in red, these are two different angles. This angle is wider than this angle, and this angle in blue and this angle in blue are two different angles. This angle is wider than this one. So that would mean that these shapes are not similar. So we're just going to write no. Number 2 gives us two rectangles, which is the same shape. And then if you look, the rectangles have the same angle measures because they are all 90 degrees. So these would be similar. And then number 3, there are two arrows pointing straight up. Now these two arrows have different sizes. Obviously this arrow is larger than this arrow, but they are still the same shape, which would mean that they are similar. Part 2 of our similar figures worksheet asks us to describe the sequence of transformations that results in the transformation from figure A to figure A prime. What the phrase sequence of transformations means you have to describe how you can use translations, reflections, rotations, and dilations to go from one figure to the other. So in this case, to go from figure A to figure A prime. The first problem we're going to do on our similar figures worksheet is number 2. The directions say that we have to figure out how we go from figure A, which is the smaller shape, into figure A prime, which is the larger shape in this case. In order to do that, the first thing I'm going to do, label all the vertices, and I'm also going to write the coordinates of those vertices. So if you look, this vertex here we'll say 1, x is 1, y is 2. This vertex is x is 2, y is negative 2. This vertex is x is negative 2, y is negative 2. And this vertex is x is negative 1, y is 2. Then I'm going to label the vertices of A prime, which is the larger shape. This vertex is 2, 4. This one is 4, negative 4. This one is negative 4, negative 4. And this one is negative 2, 4. So now that we have the vertices listed, we can go ahead and make some assumptions about how we go from one to the next. Well, if you look, the shape gets larger or smaller, which means it has to be a dilation. So we have to use some type of dilation to go from one to the next. Now remember, a dilation means you have to multiply the coordinates by a scale factor. In order to go from 1, 2 into 2, 4, we have to use a scale factor in the middle. In this case, what we did was we multiplied everything times 2. So if you multiply all of your coordinates times 2, you will go from the inner shape into the outer shape. So the series of transformations to go from figure A into figure A prime would be a dilation with a scale factor of 2, and that would be the answer. If you found this video helpful, make sure you drop a like, subscribe to our channel, or check out our website for more premium math content. Thanks for watching.